We click this icon to go title page. We have folder main titles. Main is show all your downloads titles, so there is 4 section. Look, favorite download, custom, material pack. The custom and material pack is not important right now. So if you want to download the new titles, and they're above 100,000 titles to intro, promo, and screen time, and a lot of things. And if you want to add title, it's very easy. If you want to downloading the title, you will go to the main and downloading and choose your title, and you pull it out. You pull it out like this. Look, I'll mute this. I will mute. Look, it's work. So this way it's work in the old title. But if you want to download the titles, because this title I will downloading, you will go to the title and choices your title and downloading and pull it out